Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS Pinpoint for mobile engagement alerts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AWS Management Console. Log in to your AWS account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the console. Type Pinpoint into the search bar and select the Amazon Pinpoint service from the drop-down. In the Amazon Pinpoint dashboard, select the project you want to use for mobile engagement alerts. If you haven't created a project yet, click on the Create a Project button and follow the prompts to set one up. After selecting your project, look for the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to access the project configuration. Under the Notifications section, find the SMS and Email tab and click on it. Scroll down to the Mobile Engagement Alerts section. Click on the Edit button next to Mobile Engagement Alerts. You will now be prompted to enter an email address or phone number for alerts. Input your preferred contact details in the provided fields. Next, choose the types of notifications you want to receive by checking the appropriate boxes. Once you have made your selections, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your subscription was successful. Now, check your email or phone for a confirmation message from AWS. If you receive the confirmation, your subscription is complete. Return to the Pinpoint dashboard to review your alert settings at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.